Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today I am doing a new project. I just rebuilt my Cinewhoop a couple weeks back, completely from the ground up. And so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be programming EmuFlight on my Cinewhoop, and then I'm going to be adding my favorite PIDs and rates that I use on all my freestyle rigs and my long range rig, and then I'm going to be taking it out to the park and testing it out and seeing how well it actually flies. So without further ado, let's get this thing programmed. So I had a little bit of a hard time finding the Diatone Mamba F405 mini stack, but I looked in Betaflight that it was flashed in, and this is what it said for the OSD. So or for the actual bootloader. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully this works. So we'll go ahead and just do load like we normally would. And then we're gonna do flash. And now it's erasing all the settings that were in there. And this will take a second. Alright, so now I got the flashing complete, programming successful. So now let's go ahead and go into welcome, go into connect. It's connected. Let's make sure everything looks normal when I turn it. Yep. Alright, good. So that's a good thing so far. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my battery, and just going to make sure that my receiver is working properly.
Ambulance, here we go! That's the sound I make when I'm trying to run fast. Oh, snap!
Switch warning.
Oh, snap!
Alright, so let's go over to the modes, and to the receiver.
Switch warning.
Oh, snap!
Switch warning.
Oh, snap!
Okay, there we go. So pitch right, pitch left, or sorry, roll right, roll left, pitch up, pitch back. Everything's going there. Throttle is good. Yaw is good. All right.
You gotta pump the gas
Arm.
pedal to the metal, Morty.
Mode switch.
Oh, snap! Let's get this dumb universe rolling.
All right,
Do this
good.
thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my radio, so I know that's good.
Later.
And I'm gonna unplug the battery. Okay, so we've got that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my arming switches in here. So I'm gonna pause and set this up because this is a pretty boring part. So here we are to the good part. So now EmuFlight is different from Betaflight. There's no like RC Super or Max or RC Expo or anything like that. So I'm just gonna put in my normal PIDs that I use on my freestyle rigs and my long range. You can copy these if you want. I don't know how well these are going to work on Emu, but we'll see. Alrighty, there we go. And let's see here. Or actually, oops, that should be 20. Hit save. Okay. Now I hope that that does good. We'll see. So okay. So my receiver is working. I've got my mode set up. For my Cinewhoop, I do have angle mode. Sometimes you do need that in really tight spots. And then I have my air mode, of course. But that's pretty much all I have on there in my arm and disarm. Motors are good. OSD, I'm going to set that up. I always put my my voltage up at the top. So we'll put that. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I put on my OSD. I don't really put anything else. That way I have full view of the camera. Unless it's my long range, I do have like my GPS and stuff like that up there. But other than that, that's it. So, all right, let's take it out to the park and let's test it out. All right, so here's the Cinewhoop, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out. This is with the EmuFlight, and see how it does. I do have a little bit of wind out here, so that could cause some oscillations in the video. So if you see oscillations, I apologize. So the Cinewhoop flew pretty good on the EmuFlight. It did twitch a little bit, and that's probably because we do have some wind out here. So I think I'm going to do some more testing and probably a little bit more tuning, and then bring it back out again. But other than that, it flew pretty good, so I was pretty impressed with it. So I'll definitely be doing some more testing for you guys and some more videos. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching my video. And as always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.